Hermes out-of-control long-term memory. Many new users are obsessed with long-term memory. They want agents to get them through chat history. They hope it will catch shorter commands or read between the lines. But think about this. Can you really know someone just through an online relationship? You chat every day. You share a log. Every time you type, you wonder how they'll take it. You scroll back, spot misunderstandings, and fix them on the fly. Then, out of nowhere, it drops. You said this once, so I've always done it this way. Or, I figured you'd think like this. Blah, blah, blah. And you're like, wow, it gets me. Setting aside how text compresses information and makes connections incredibly fragile. Are you still going to scroll through logs just to reply 2 months from now? You probably never did. But an AI agent, it literally does exactly that. And this creates two massive structural issues, crushing data burdens that slow things down, and topic drift from useless references. Imagine a human summarizing your chats. As the volume grows, what do? We simplify. We use single word tags, stingy, short-tempered, passionate. But agents can't do that yet. It reloads that same session summary over and over, a summary already compressed from the context. Sure, developers built 1 million context windows, but chasing longer context is a never-ending trap. Imagine a 1 trillion context window. You won't just ask it to load your chats. You'll probably dump a whole game into it to play together. Alright, I'm getting off track. The point is, context always runs out. If you stay on one main thread and close the loop, it's fine. Agents excel at that. Even if the summary grows heavy, at least it's highly relevant. But most users bounce between tons of topics, creating scattered summaries. The odds of multiple compressed summaries being useful? Virtually zero. You might argue, doesn't that expand the data dimensions? Not really. Look at humans again. In any system, data volume does not equal effective information, and it definitely doesn't equal decision value. They are completely different. If you were choosing the fund manager to handle your savings, would you look at 3 years of trading logs, P&L curves, and drawdown data, totaling maybe 1 megabyte? Or their favorite movies, childhood pets, and arguments with their ex, totaling 1 gigabyte? Relevance matters way more than volume. Summarizing different topics is just dead weight. It's honestly better to start fresh. Clean context, fast speed. My advice, let one agent handle one closed loop task. Do not mix unrelated things. Let it extract insights efficiently. If it's for trading, don't make it edit videos. It only trades. It tracks its own profits and losses. That's a closed loop. Don't force it to multitask. If you don't know what you want it to do, like most of us, just turn off long-term memory. When you have a specific project, build a brand new agent with long-term memory enabled. Let's go back to the start. Many think the point of long-term memory is to understand you better. But a truly efficient agent isn't one that remembers everything. It's one that only remembers what matters to the goal. Let's look at this through first principles. Is your real need for an agent to understand your continuous personality? Or is it to get things done efficiently? Even for an intelligent task system, full personality modeling is completely unnecessary.